Hi, my name is Bianca Matthews. I am making this video for my geometry project in my elementary school mathematics class. For this project, we were supposed to act like interior designers, finding pieces of furniture for our clients. The piece of furniture that I found was a 1920s vintage style armoire for the master bedroom of my client, Miss Quinn. I had to let her know of the dimensions of the armoire, the surface area, so if she chose to repaint it or not, although I don't think she will. It's a gorgeous piece of furniture. And then I also needed to let her know the volume so she could figure out how much of her clothing and shoes and other things she could put inside the armoire. So part of this project, we had to find a net of a model of what our piece of furniture would look like. So this is the net that I have found. So it's one of those cool things that you would cut out in like 5th grade and put together and all that good stuff. I always had a problem putting them together, and I still have a problem putting them together. I just figured that out tonight. This was probably the hardest part of the entire project, was putting this little rectangle model of the armoire together. Definitely took me longer than any other part of the project. So all in all, the project I thought was a lot of fun. I got to kind of act like I was somebody else, which is always fun in my book. Halloween is my favorite holiday. But it was very simple once I got into it. I definitely spent a lot more time having anxiety attacks about it before I did it, but now that it's done, I can see that that was all for nothing. Kind of like a kid that doesn't want to go on a roller coaster because they think it's going to be scary, and then they go on it and they realize it's not, and it's the best thing ever. Yeah, that was this project for me. So that's that. The actual armoire itself that I found, its dimensions were 3 feet deep by 4 feet in width by 6 feet in height. So we had to find the surface area for that, which is 108 feet. So there's 108 feet that she would have to repaint if she decided to repaint the entire thing. I figured that out by using the formula, which is surface area equals 2, and then parentheses, A times B plus B times C plus A times C. Yes, I said them all. Okay. So once you've times everything and added everything up inside the parentheses, you then take your 2 on the outside of the parentheses and distribute that with what is inside the parentheses. So I got 108 when I did that using the dimensions. And then for volume, again, the dimensions are the same with this, but the formula for volume is volume equals width times height times length. So basically you just take all of your numbers that you have, you times them all together and see what you get. And the volume for this was 72. So I did let my client know that so she could figure out whether she wanted to repaint it or do anything to the outside, as well as figure out what she wanted to do on the inside. You know, if she wanted to put certain things in it, or if she wanted to maybe put some shelves in there, how much space she had on the inside as well. So one of the things that I liked about this project is the actual video. I think that being able to properly explain what needs to be done is very important, and if I can make a video and explain how I found out all of my information and everything, and have someone on the other side who's watching the video understand what I said and what I'm doing, that definitely means that I myself understand, and that I can effectively teach others how to do something just by using my words and vocal teaching. So it's definitely, this project is definitely a very good tool to use when you're learning to become a teacher. So that's all I've got. And yeah, had a lot of fun with this project. So bye.